So part 2 then says the circle crosses the positive x-axis at point A. So we've got now that the radius is like here somewhere at 4, 3. And it says that the circle crosses the positive x-axis at point A. So we want to know what this value is. We know the equation of the circle is x minus 4 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 45. And also at point A, the y coordinate is 0. So that's how we're going to start the question. At A, y equals 0. So if we substitute 0 into the equation, we're going to get an equation just with x in. 0 take away 3 squared equals 45. So that's going to be plus 9 is equal to 45. And that's because that's in completed square form, we can just move the 9 over, which should be 36, and then square root both sides. So if we add on 4, minus 6 plus 4 is negative 2, or 10. So because we're looking A to be positive, this must be 10. It also tells us that this point here is negative 2, but we don't really need to know that. We want the full equation of the tangent to the circle at A. So the equation of this line here. But what's special about circles is that the tangents meet the radiuses at right angles at 90 degrees, so they're perpendicular. So if we know the gradient of this line, which we can find out, we can work out the gradient of this line. So we know that this coordinate here is 10, 0. 10, 0. So we can find the gradient of the green line. We've got 4, 3 here, and 10, 0 here. So we can do the height divided by the width. So the height, so what are we going from? We're going from 0 to 3, and we're going from 4 to 10. So the gradient of the radius is negative 3 over 6, negative a half. Therefore, the gradient, oops, that's a terrible G. The gradient of the tangent is going to be the negative reciprocal of that. So we've got everything we need. We've got a point on the line, we've got 10, 0, and we've got the gradient of the line. So we can use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1, or just y equals mx plus c. Is equal to 2 for the gradient x minus 10. So that's 2x minus 20. That's the equation of the tangent line at A. Y equals 2x minus 20.